Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and today I'm going to share with you a little bit about the type of vapor barrier seam tape that we use, so stay tuned. We get a lot of questions about what type of seam tape we use in order to bring the plastic together on the joints and on the walls and things like that, and even wrapping pillars. It's important to have a really good seam tape. The problem is that you don't want to have a seam tape that's too good, because we bought some in the past that they actually stuck to themselves. So whenever you're trying to get the tape off, it actually is so hard to peel off that it just takes too much time. So we think we found the great balance of the right kind of seam tape. This is a 4-inch seam tape, which is really nice. It gives you a wide area, so if you got the overlap and everything and it's not quite straight, it gives you a little bit of forgiveness on both sides, and it's 180 feet long. Typically you're probably going to use a roll of seam tape for about every 200 to 250 square feet. Although it does depend on how many cuts you make. Just remember that the more pillars, the less you do this as a profession, you're probably going to wind up making more cuts. So if you're the kind of person that's going to piece a lot of pieces of plastic together, you're going to need more seam tape than if you just cut one large section of vapor barrier and roll it out in a big open crawl space, for example. So anyway, this is our seam tape. It's available in our DIY store, so we'll put a link down below if you'd like to check that out. And we even changed the way we are packaging it now, so you can buy one roll or you can buy a case. So there's two different options, or you can buy anywhere in between. So my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching. See you later.